Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to display custom subject in email subject based on drop-down selection in contact form 7 WordPress. Before starting work, as per request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So this is our contact form 7 and then you see your name, email and then you see drop-down. So this is our three option. Now go to form and we are using drop-down select. Now you see, and then this is our format. So this is our name and then you see vertical bar or pipe sign and then you see email. So we are going to send email to different people based on drop down selection. If user select CEO and then click on submit, then we are going to send email to CEO. When user select project manager and then click on submit, and then we are going to send email to project manager email. But now we are going to add custom subject in email. So when user select chief executive officer and then click on submit, so this drop down value we also display in subject on email. When user select project manager, so this project manager title we are going to display on subject email. So based on drop down selection we are going to display dynamic value based on drop down. Now go to form again. In mail handmade subject, so we are going to add bracket. Now you see underscore raw underscore your hyphen recipient. Now go to form. So we are using this value in subject line. Now you see, but before we added underscore raw, then again we added underscore. So this tag fetch the value of name, not email. Now copy and then you can add here. If you want, you can add some text. Now you see email for. If you want, you can add some custom text here. So after submission, we are going to display custom subject on email for CEO, for project manager different based on drop down selection, and then click on save. And you will find this value in video description or in comment section. In form, we are using this syntax: select your recipient, include blank. So this is our name and then you see email. Now go to form and refresh the page. So we are going to fill this form. So now in drop down we select chief executive officer. So when we select this option, so email sent to CEO, but we are going to display also subject title chief executive officer on our email subject. When user select project manager, then email goes to project manager email. So we select CEO and then click on submit. Now you see form submission done. Go to email. So we are in email and refresh the page. Now you see subject email change chief executive officer CEO. Now you see again you see chief executive officer subject. Now you see subject email for chief executive officer. Now back to form again. So we are in form and in mail tab just add this format underscore raw underscore and then add tag. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.